Most sellers think that Helium 10 is just a keyword tool. In reality, Helium 10 gives listing optimization data and PPC keyword intelligence that Amazon itself does not show clearly. In this video, I will explain how to connect Helium 10 with Amazon, what data you get, and how to use that data to optimize your listings and PPC. So first of all, how to connect Helium 10 with Amazon. Helium 10 connects directly with Amazon Seller Central using Amazon official API. Here is the dashboard. You will go to the dashboard of Helium 10, like top left in the settings. Then in the settings, you will see here the options to connect your Amazon seller account and then this PPC seller account. You need to first connect here. It will say add seller account. You will log into your seller account and you will authorize it from both hands. And then afterwards, you will add your PPC account. You will authorize it from both hands. So both of these things will take around 24 to 48 or 48 to 72 hours to populate data. So if you see here, you see no token here or you see no store name here, then you should wait around 24 to 48 hours. And if it did not work, then you will refresh the connection here, like the token connection. Then afterwards, it will get connected and it will start pulling data. So this means Helium 10 pulls real performance data, not estimates. So it will pull everything which is like currently you've done in the past on your store. You can connect the seller central account. You can connect all kind of marketplaces like US, UK, Europe, also TikTok shop, also Walmart, and you can also give the brand or seller permissions to get data about your brand. So what Helium 10 access in a short form: search terms, listing index status, keyword ranking, sales velocity, PPC keyword performance via search behavior, not bid control. Helium 10 does not run your ads. It gives you data so you make better PPC decisions. Like you see here, you see the TECOS, you see CPC, you see ACOS, and you see here or relevant data for all the campaigns. And also, okay, so here let's read this data. How to read this? So what is TECOS? So TECOS is as in, say this. This is TECOS, meaning your total ad spend divided by total revenue, ad plus organic. So this is called TECOS. So how do you read TECOS? So these are the benchmarks. If it is greater than 20%, then your sales is coming only on from ads. If it is between 15 to 20%, then it means that your product is growing and getting organic sales as well along with ads. If it is 8 to 15%, then it's healthy and strong, meaning that your ads are just, you can say, a side hustle to push your sales. Otherwise, your products are ranked and you're getting organic sales very good. So if it is less than 10, it means that your ad spend is minimum and you're getting extreme good sales with organic searches. You see here our cost is 30.73%. And so we are in healthy and strong category. So our product is ranked now. So there is another thing which is called CVR. You see here, CVR, one second. Yeah, CVR. So CVR is conversion rate, that how much your product is converting, how much sales you are getting. So the benchmark for the CVR is like this. If it is less than 8%, then your listing is weak. There is mismatch traffic, like your product is something else and you're pushing on PPC something else. So if it is 8 to 12%, then it is average, like your sales are growing, your product is growing, your listing is getting strength, getting organic traffic. If it is 12 to 18%, then your listing is getting established. If it is between 18 to 25, and then your listing is established and in the right category, your listing page is optimized completely, and your PPC is doing good. So ours is 19.94% right now. So we are in this category. Our product is established. We're getting organic plus listing has accurate data. So there is another tool which is called Cerebro. In this tool, you will research different ASINs, you will analyze their keywords, you will find keywords, and you will see which keywords you need to add from competitor. This is called stealing keyword from competitor. This gives you exact terms, search volume, ranking position, sponsored versus organic keywords. I extract keywords competitor ranks organically and sponsored. Those are proven money keywords. For example, you need to extract some keywords where there are less competitors so that you can rank higher. And you also need to extract keywords where the Cerebro score is Yeah, keyword sales is higher because at that those keywords are like generic keywords which everybody is using and they're like people are searching them. So you also need to use those keywords in your campaigns or you in your product so that you will also get the chunk of sales from those keywords, and also somewhere you get starting ranked. And this also shows you suggested PPC budget, so you can adjust the keyword budget accordingly. But normal you can say suggestion is just start from the lowest bit. This is the lowest and this is the highest end. Start from the lowest and then check it after every week, and then afterwards you increase your bid according to the sales and cost data. So then there is a tool which is called Magnet. Magnet expands one keyword into thousands of buyer intent keywords, meaning that it gives you all relevant keywords. Like this is one keyword, for example, chlorine tablets, it will give you another keyword which shows which other people are searching, which other listings are popping up with that magnet keyword. This helps me choose keywords that can rank without burning PPC money. Like these can be your exact keywords in the magnet. Build SEO optimized titles. So then there is a listing builder. So this is the page where I'm in products. You will go to listing builder. In listing building, you will search the ASIN, and this will give you all the product and its data and how much is the product listing quality score. This is 10 by 10. This helps build you SEO optimized titles, optimized bullet points, track keywords. Placement. Amazon does not rank listings with keyword stuffing. Helium 10 helps place keywords naturally. So here you see on the page, everything is, you need to fulfill everything to get a 10 by 10 listing score. So you should have all these things. You should match it with your product line. Then afterwards, when your listing is 10 by 10, it means that your listing is optimized up to the best. Now, the thing is Helium 10 does not manage your PPC, like it does not make adjustment. It just gives you data so that you can learn it and make some optimal changes. It also shows you keyword competitors are advertising on it, like I've shown you here, competitor keywords. Then keywords converting organically, keywords intent like transactional information. If a keyword converts organically, it usually converts in PPC too. Now this is a consolidated data. Now if you want to see product by product data and what's the criteria over there, then you go to your left and click analytics, and then you will click product. Afterwards, you will see here, one second, popping up. Yeah, you see here the keyword data. So against each keyword, it will show you what is the cost, what is the spend, what are the impressions you got, what are the clicks you got, how many orders you got, how many total orders you got. So this way you will see which product is not performing well, where a cost is high. You need to adjust campaigns of that keyword, but you need to do it yourself, or you need to then check all the keywords, and then you see that if keyword is spending extra, you need to just stop it or just reduce budget on it 15 to 30%. So Helium 10 reveals these following things again: which keywords are worth bidding, which keywords are too competitive, which keywords belong only in SEO, not PPC. This prevent wasted ad spend on dead keywords. If a keyword is just spending, not converting, just you can say pause it so that it will not waste spend. So the exact workflow, how to use Helium 10 for your listing optimization in the best way is like this. Use Cerebro, this to find competitor keywords. Keywords filter by high search volume. This is the search volume. So you can filter by high search volume plus medium competition. Yeah, this one. Here you go. You can compete it with medium competition. Just make it high search volume once. So high search volume, then you need to see where there are normal competition. So this is the normal competition, like where there are less products. So you need to select these kind of keywords so that you can rank your product easily. So add those keywords to your listing titles and bullets, then exact match PPC campaigns, and then use PPC to rank, and then reduce budget if any keyword is spending extras. PPC works best when your listing is already SEO optimized, like its listing score is 10 by 10, as I showed you, and you have the right keyword. For example, if there is a tumbler and you will go and add a keyword pool table on that, then this is wrong. This is wrong because you are selling a tumbler and you're using the pool chlorine tablet keyword. So that's completely wrong. It will just waste of spend. So what Helium 10 does not provide you, it does not show Amazon internal conversion rate. It does not control bids. It does not guarantee ranking. It is just data which you use and then use your own brain and then optimize gradually to rank well. Helium 10 just gives you directions, not shortcuts. Helium 10 is a decision making tool, not magic software. So if you used it correctly, it improves the listing, reduce wasted PPC spend, and helps sellers scale. And if you use it wrong, it will go otherwise. Also, for this data and this Helium 10 ads, I think you need an elite membership of Helium 10. On a standard or free Helium 10, you will not get this data. Sellers who have expanded their business in private level wholesale, they use elite Helium 10 membership. So please like and subscribe my channel. I have posted many other videos to help sellers expand their business on Amazon. Please watch them and we will meet in our next video. Thank you so much.